So we're with Nicola from Ngāti Manuhiri, and beautiful day here in Tawharanui. You've been working on the Kohanga Kutai project and really thinking about more sustainable methods for dealing with our moana and protecting it. But there's other ways of protecting the moana too, like Māori have always placed the likes of Rāhui. Can you tell us more about what a Rāhui is?
That's right, thanks Shelley. Well, absolutely. So for Ngāti Manuhiri, and like many iwi across Aotearoa, we have our own Indigenous customary practices around protection. And one of those things is Rāhui. And Rāhui is where we place a korowai, which this is a korowai of protection over those taonga species that are in danger. That being the case in Hauraki Gulf, which we're looking out to moana nui o toi, we've got a lot of taonga that are in serious stress and pressure. So for Ngāti Manuhiri, on Waitangi Day just past, we laid a korowai of protection, a Rāhui, over our kutai, our mussels, our tipa, our scallops, and all of those beautiful taonga species that are in danger of becoming, collapsed or extinct.
Yeah, because it's really important to think about not only what we can get from the moana, but what we can give back in terms of trying to protect it for the future.
Absolutely. And one of the things that we can give back as kaitiaki, as guardians of our beautiful nature, is the way which we care for it, the way in which we hold regard. It's not always about taking for a kai or for fishing for pleasure or recreation. Sometimes it's also about how we restore and regenerate those marine habitats.
Yeah, indeed, because we want it to last for future generations. Kia ora. Thanks, Nicola.
Kia ora, and thank you.